Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into Seller Central with an account that has listing management rights. Once logged in, go straight to Manage Inventory and locate the exact SKU you want removed. Note the ASIN and whether it is FBA or merchant fulfilled. Make sure there are no pending orders and record current quantities. This prevents accidental cancellations. If it's FBA, plan a removal order. These first steps avoid errors later and let you take decisive action immediately. Once done with prep, remove any stock tied to that SKU. If merchant fulfilled, set quantity to 0 and confirm. If FBA, create a removal order or return inventory before proceeding. Next, open the Actions menu beside the SKU, choose Close Listing first to stop offers, and then select Delete Product and Listing when the option appears. Make sure to wait for Amazon's processing. Check inventory health and removal order status, so you know why deletion proceeds or stop. You finish by verifying that the SKU no longer appears in Manage Inventory and that the ASIN is not relisted on your account. If it reappears or is suppressed, submit the correct inventory feed or request removal via API or seller support. Sometimes catalog records persist. Make sure the SKU shows 0 quantity, no active offers, and no FBA units before retrying deletion. If deletion is blocked, contact seller support with order numbers and removal ID for an expedited.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.